Excellent connection. Perfect. All right, guys, we are live. Welcome back to another live stream. Today, what we're going to be doing is just predicting the market as it unfolds intraday, and we can go ahead and review some of your stocks that you want to comment down in the live chat. You want a second opinion on, maybe it's a specific trade, maybe it's a call, an option trade, or maybe you're just buying the stock for long-term growth. Whatever the reason is, you can just type ticker, your trade, and your reasoning behind it, and then we'll review it live as markets unfold here. But you should be looking at TradingView here. I think there's one viewer here. All right, I'm not sure if that's me, but I think there's one viewer here. But FireEye was brought up to my attention. See, okay, let's just put this. I'm getting a little excited here. FireEye, it's sitting around $21. We can take a look at FireEye on Yahoo Finance here, just so I can give you the summary on what FireEye is. Oh, and Farfetch, guys, Farfetch is great for long-term growth. You know, luxury online sales, that's going to go huge, and that's going to, boom. So if you have a business in luxury, like online sales, you're in the right track. I think there's a massive growth in that industry there. And Farfetch, very hype clothing or sneakerhead or whatever you want to call them, use that app. Even just regular shoppers as well. It's actually referring to Farfetch. But let's go here. FEYE, that's the ticker symbol for FireEye. After the FireEye and SolarWinds breaches, what's your favorite? Wall Street scrambles to find security plays amid unfolding SolarWinds hack. Pre-market prep stock of the day, FireEye. FireEye is up 4.8%. SWI is up 4%. I think FireEye, I'm swinging it to the long side. This is the trade that I did here. It was a 2150 call option expiring January 16. So we have time on it. I do think this is a company that's going to go above that. But we'll have to see. We can touch back on that towards expiration or whenever I close it. Let me just go ahead and make a quick announcement on Discord because I think it doesn't get forwarded to Discord chat. So 1 second here. Let's say, give me 1 second here. Share this. Copy video link. Close. Yeah, just post it on my phone here. All right, so that should do it. I just sent the announcement in the Discord. Check out Tesla from Joe the Hooker. All right, let's check out Tesla. Um, one second here. So whether we think markets are going to be green today, we'll have to take a look at that. But first, let's take a look at Tesla. Nice sell-off. Okay. I mean, these could be nice buying opportunities right here. So, are you in a specific trade? Are you doing an intraday trade? Yeah, Tesla's nice. I like Tesla for the pump up. Look, I mean, I like it. This is great here. I'm not sure. I minimized my webcam so you can see more of the technicals because last video um, it blocked what I wanted to do. But here we see some nice divergence on the 1 minute, and another kind of some divergence here. It's pretty much flatlining around those levels, and here prices keep going down. So we may see a and let's check out the 30 minutes. I think we should see a pump on Tesla. Yeah, I mean, my sentiment is just long-term bullish on Tesla. But I mean, if you have a specific trade, I have options that expire January 15th and December 31st. What's the strike on them? Since this stock is like so volatile, just buying long dated calls on it is just overall, I think, the better play. I mean, for your investment objective, I don't know what it is. Um, since I believe you're day trade or no swing trading, you're swing trading. I'd say just might as well just buy yourself some more time since you're already swing trading. Yeah, so that just backs up my point here with the volatility. Since I mean, I would suppose you're a long-term bull on Tesla and you're swing trading out of the way. And since the stock is so volatile, you know, buying maybe a month out could be a bit risky. Just I don't know, just my opinion. Because if you think the stock's going to go up overall, you can either buy the shares or just buy a leap call option. But yeah, Tesla seems to be dumping. It's just whether it's going to find a bottom around this low right here. Could be. I mean, we're seeing some divergence. Definitely, could be. But we'll take a look. I want to take a look at Neo. Let me see how Neo's doing. NIO. Let's take a look at the daily. Neo's a tricky one. It really is. I mean, this is just a buy and hold. This is a buy and hold. A stock. Um, I like looking for stocks that are like Neo. So I mean, I have a whole criteria just in my head on what I consider stocks like Neo. Um, but I can tell you some examples if you'd like. Yeah, so that's just my point, Joe the Hooker. Not sure if that'll help you out. So any tickers that you guys want to see, just go ahead and leave them in the chat. We'll take a look at them. Um, but let's take a look at SPY in the meantime. See, FEYE, I like. I also like, let's get back to what I was going to say with comparison with Neo and Snap and FEYE and another one. Look, Just my honest opinion on Neo. Like, if you're buying here to go long term, I'm not sure what long term is for you guys, but maybe a year. Sorry about that. I just think Neo is kind of risky buying here at these levels, especially if you're buying the shares. If you're trading the option, I guess that's fine. Um, okay, just like I was thinking, I do think markets are gonna head a little higher. It's gonna be green for the day. So the FEYE calls that we picked up are up 27%. And this is a swing trade originally. So we're currently up on that. Let's see, I gotta. Just had some oatmeal and it was great. Wonderful oatmeal. Set up some brown sugar. Put some honey in it. Oh, sounds so good. Yes, I can do tea. All right, so someone requested to do some TA on Fubo actually. Let's take a look at it. I'm gonna put that on this window. Oh boy, look at this. So, are you looking to long this? Anthony, I'm not sure if you're on Discord or on the live stream, but I would assume you're referring to intraday. We'll look at it intraday. I already know what it looks like. Long trend here. All right. Okay, so I guess we'll start our TA on. Let's see. So I think that this is just a long term. I think Fubo is a long term um, stock to have in your portfolio. I think there's growth in that market for sure. And considering they're only up in Europe and the United States, that leaves a lot of room for growth. You know what kind of market I like? I like tech in specific markets, not in countries, I would say, or continents. Any type of emerging technology, I believe in South America, whether it be cryptocurrency related or any other type, like even WhatsApp. WhatsApp is huge, huge, and that's just, I mean, because it allows people to make calls and other over the internet. Simple. That is grand. That's what I think has a lot of potential. But back to Fubo. Yeah, I think it's long term bullish. Um, I mean, we can look at the price action on it, but honestly, like if you're buying Fubo TV, I would just add it to your long term growth. Just don't even, yeah, just buy it. That's it. Hold it. Simple. Even if technicals here on the daily are showing like, that it's overbought, price is relative. Stock, like all of that. I mean, if you truly believe in this, just buy it and hold it. But if you just want to trade it like for its volatility, then that's a different story. Let's take a look here. So, Anthony Lynn, premiums are very expensive for Fubo. How should I play it? Well, like I was saying, I'm not sure if you, yeah, okay, yeah, I guess you just saw it because there's a little lag with the stream here. So, but yeah, I would just say buy it for the long. If you truly believe in it, you know. And I, as a person, I mean, I think that this has potential for growth long term. Technically, it's just communication services, yes. Industry, broadcasting, yes. It's good. Communications. It's in communications, in a sec. So, yeah, definitely bullish there. But that's how I would say I would play it. Any other requests? Any other stocks? Um, and I can do a TA on it. I can show you where the support and resistance levels lies. I can show you what the technicals are showing. But at the end of the day, I'm still going to be bullish on this long term. I mean, this is like buying Neo right now. Um, I mean, pattern's pretty similar. It was like around $3. Well, let's look at it specifically. $7, yeah. And then gained popularity, appeared on people's screeners for some reason. News came out on it for some reason, drawing attention to the stock, hence the spike that it's recently been doing. Neo, not a lot of people knew about Neo back then when it was like 3, 5, just consolidating around those levels. Once people find out about a stock, some of those people are going to convert to being investors, traders. Volume's going to increase the more attention a stock has, no doubt. So if you ever own in a public company, you just want to make sure your PR is good. and just get a bunch of media to cover you. Your stock price will increase. Let's take a look here. Let's go back to SPY. We're down 0.09% on the day. Could be a little consolidation here until the end of day where it starts to go green. Possible. Possible. Yeah. So any other requests, Anthony? Let me check the chat here. I'll just take it for long term. Can you do JMIA and SQ? Yes. Yes, I can. Yeah, take it for long term. Ideally, you want to find these stocks when they're like relatively cheap because that's, I mean, if you bought Neo when it was like a 3, just bought some shares on it, or you can buy some leaps. That's where you'd be up big time. That's where you'd be up big time. Yeah. JMIA. So it's like an Alibaba. I mean, short term JMIA, or let's call it Jumia, has been spiking, consolidating, spiking, consolidating, spiking. That's been its pattern on the 30-minute. And for quite some time. Makes sense as it leads up to the end of the year. And I mean, see here. Yeah, this is another long term. These are in emerging markets. This is in Africa. And it's consumer internet retail. Anything like in the internet related, like retail, e-commerce, it's just going to boom. Its growth has been exponential year over year. So Jumia, I think long-term bullish on this, but we'll see. We'll look at the technicals here for. Let's see. This is the one. Okay. See, this is another stock. That same thing. Look at these levels. This is like you. I mean, yeah, buying now for long term. I mean, because price is going to be relative. You think it's going to grow over time, then buying at 46 and selling at maybe whatever, maybe 100, you're not really going to care. You're going to profit either way. But let's see. Yeah, this stock is great. Stock's great. Wow. Yeah. So this is like my example again, like Neon, like Snapchat, like the one we just saw previously. And it's right at almost at its high of the IPO price. So yeah, I think it's good too. I think it's good luck here. Hmm. Hmm. Well, here for Square, since October 8th, which was about over here. Square invested $50 million into Bitcoin. That's when that catalyst came out there. So yes, this there's a lot of hype leading up to them accepting crypto payments, being in the crypto industry, crypto markets. And so hence the price increase. Also Bitcoin's popping as well. So let's get back to SPY. I like it how it's forming out. Anyways, this is the let's take a look at the hour. bounce here. Was able to hold. We got the cross on the moving averages. We'll need to have it high if we're gonna trade in the high. I'm still holding this position. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna pause the stream, probably be back maybe later towards market close or tomorrow morning. But yeah, guys, I'll see how this trade plays out. We're green on this trade, up 25% in the money, and yeah, that's that. So if you guys update, if you have any questions, message me on Discord. All right, peace, guys. Stop the stream. Stop the stream. Stop the stream.